Hello, my amazing learners. Welcome back to this channel. It is now time for another story, and the title of this story is Give Me Half, and it was written by Stuart J. Murphy, illustrated by G. Brian Carras. Now, I like this story because here we have a brother and sister. Did I spill the tea? Did I let the cat out of the bag? Let us look at the cover. We have a little boy and a little girl on the cover of this storybook. Are they brother and sister? You have to listen to the story to find out. So let's begin. I have one whole pizza and it's all for me. I'm going to get some pizza. Just you wait and see. I know you want some pizza, sis. You only get one slice. You'd better give me more than that. Why can't you be nice? You have to share the pizza. It must be split in two. The pieces should be cut the same for each of you. 1/2 pizza and 1/2 pizza make one whole pizza. Half and half is 1. Half plus half equal 1. What is that behind her back? The last can of juice, I think. If he takes some juice from me, I won't have much to drink. I gave you half of mine, so you must share yours too. I'll give you just a sip, but not until I'm through. Split the juice in half. Again, you have to share. And when you pour it out, make sure that you pour fair. 1/2 can of juice and 1/2 can of juice make one whole can of juice. Half and half is 1. Half plus half equal 1. I know she has some cupcakes. I saw her with a pack. I am going to hide my cupcakes and save them for a snack. Now, students, so far in the story, do you agree that they are brother and sister? Now, I have an older brother and I remember little things like this happening. What do you experience when you have an older brother, older sister, younger brother, younger sister? Tell me about it. Tell me your little story in the comments below. When it comes to sharing, is everything fair and square, half and half? Tell me about it. Let us continue the story. Hey, what's that on your chair? You'd better give me some. I'm going to eat them both myself and leave you just a crumb. Your cupcakes must be shared. And do I need repeat? You both get half the pack, and don't you two dare cheat. 1 cupcake and 1 cupcake make a pack of 2 cupcakes. 1 and 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 equal 2. 1 is half of 2. I have a stack of cookies and you get just 1 bite. You'd better give me half that stack or else I'll start a fight. Hey, wait, too late. What is this we're looking at, boys and girls? They're having, what is happening here? It looks like a food fight. No, I remember having a food fight. Well, our food fight was different. We would throw things like mangoes, apples, porridge, tea, bread, whatever we could get our hands on. And it was always an awful mess. And any mess that we made, we had to clean it up, no matter who started the food fight. Let's continue the story. There are cookies on the floor. There's pizza everywhere. There's juice spilled on the table and sticky stuff under my chair. we're going to be in trouble. We have made a great big mess, but I have made no more than you, and you have made no less. We had better each clean half. There's so much work to do. We'll be done in half the time if Buddy helps us too. The end. I really hope you enjoyed this story. Remember, the title of the story was Give Me Half. You can share your own story about how you would share with your older or younger brother or sister. You can type it in the comments below, or you can always message me in Google Classroom and we can talk about it some more. All right, so I hope you really enjoyed it, and I will see you next time with another story or a tutorial. Let's see.